Hey everyone, welcome to our discussion. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderfully weird world of quantum mechanics. I know it sounds scary, but trust me, it's way cooler than it sounds. We'll be exploring the basics, so even if you've never heard of a quantum before, you'll be able to follow along. Ready to get started?
Absolutely. Quantum mechanics might seem like a complex topic, but at its core, it's about understanding how the universe works at its smallest level. Think of it like zooming in on a picture until you can see the individual pixels. That's kind of what quantum mechanics does for reality.
Okay, so quantum, what does that even mean? I've heard the word, but I don't really get it.
The word quantum comes from the Latin word quantus, meaning how much. In the quantum world, things like energy and momentum aren't smooth and continuous like a ramp. They're more like steps on a staircase. They come in discrete packets, or quanta.
Like a staircase instead of a ramp? Okay, I think I get that. So is that the only weird thing about the quantum world? Not even close. Another mind-bending concept is wave-particle duality. Imagine something that can be both a wave and a particle at the same time. That's what quantum objects do. Sometimes they act like waves, spreading out and interfering with each other, and other times they act like tiny particles with specific locations.
Wait, so like a wave and a particle? That sounds impossible. How does that even work?
It's not something we can easily visualize with our everyday experiences. It's more accurate to say that quantum objects are something fundamentally different that exhibits properties that sometimes appear wave-like and sometimes particle-like, depending on how we observe them.
Okay, so it's not really a wave and a particle at the same time, but it can act like both. That's still pretty weird. What else is weird?
How about this? In the quantum world, things are inherently probabilistic. We can't know exactly where a particle is or what it's doing, only the probability of it being in a certain state. It's like flipping a coin. The odds are 50-50, but you don't know for sure if it will be heads or tails until you look.
So it's all about probabilities? That's a bit unsettling. Is there anything else that's equally strange?
Absolutely. There's superposition. A quantum object can be in multiple states at once until we measure it. It's like that coin spinning in the air. It's neither heads nor tails until it lands.
Multiple states at once? That's like something out of a science fiction movie. What about entanglement? I've heard that term before.
Entanglement is when two or more quantum particles become linked no matter how far apart they are. If you change the state of one, the other instantly changes too, even if they're light years away. It's like they're magically connected.
Spooky action at a distance, right? Einstein called it that. So how does all this relate to the real world? Does it even matter?
It matters a lot. Quantum mechanics is the foundation of modern technology. Lasers, transistors, medical imaging, they all rely on quantum principles. And we're only just beginning to explore the potential of quantum computing and other quantum technologies.
Wow, so all this weirdness is actually power of our technology. That's amazing. What about the future of quantum mechanics? What are scientists still trying to figure out?
There are still many open questions. For example, the role of measurement in quantum mechanics is still debated. What exactly constitutes a measurement, and how does it cause the superposition to collapse? These are some of the fundamental questions that physicists are still working on.
So there's still a lot we don't know. That's kind of exciting, isn't it? It means there's still so much to discover.
Exactly. The quantum world is a vast and fascinating realm, and we're only just scratching the surface. It's a journey into the heart of reality itself, a journey that continues to challenge our intuition and expand our understanding of the universe.
So to summarize, the quantum world is all about quantization, wave-particle duality, probability, superposition, entanglement, and the mystery of measurement. It's weird, it's wonderful, and it's powering our future.
Precisely. It's a world that invites us to embrace the strange, the probabilistic, and the deeply interconnected nature of existence.
And it's a world that's constantly surprising us with new discoveries and possibilities.
Absolutely. The quantum revolution is ongoing, and it's shaping our understanding of the universe and driving technological innovation.
It's been a great discussion on the quantum realm. Thank you.